Bob moved the Adirondack chairs. It's about 15 minutes since I last filmed. You can see that, yeah, you can't see my bird bath anymore. And that whole section of the yard is completely submerged now. You can see more apples going downstream. This is now what the backyard looks like. It should be hitting the apple tree soon. There's the fire pit. And now, I don't know if you can see, but this is the other side of the yard, and the flooding is starting to spill there. So it's running along the back of the yard there, and it's starting to spill that way. I can't believe how different this looks than just an hour and a half ago. The stream can no longer hold all the water that's going through it, so it's starting to flow this way. Along here, this little deck is actually up on quite a hill. You can't see my bird bath at all anymore. The water is starting to flow along here, The water from the stream is flowing through here, and the flooding is now consuming the front yard. It's reached the garage. It's flowing through the driveway. And to the other side of the yard. Basically, this part of the yard is the stream now. It's completely overflown its banks out there. It's running both behind our garage and in front of our garage. And this is pretty devastating.